Hey guys, welcome back to the DeeTimeLove show, and today I've got a very interesting video. We've got a brand new watch from Spinnaker, a brand new release for 2019, the Spinnaker Sorrento. Now, before I go into depth in unboxing the new Spinnaker Sorrento watch, let's do a quick wristwatch check. And today I'm sporting the Spinnaker Croft that I reviewed not that long ago. I'm really enjoying this watch by Spinnaker. Very cool indeed, and I absolutely love that fumed dial. Very cool and very fitting as we're revealing a brand new watch from Spinnaker. Now, as you can see below there, this Spinnaker watch comes in an outer white box and the traditional Spinnaker blue box with the Spinnaker logo. But anyway, this watch has really been inspired by Sorrento, Italy, okay? And you're going to notice quite a few cues to Sorrento, speedboats, yachts in the design, as they've really mixed it up with traditional watch design with the inspiration of speedboats and yachts. You know, this watch is really designed for someone who's a shallow water diver, or someone who likes to take a quick dip, a little jump off his yacht, someone who lives a life of luxury. I think this is what Spinnaker were going for. But anyway, let's unveil this brand new watch from Spinnaker. Now then, let's take a closer look at this Spinnaker watch. And I have to say, the first thing that really strikes you is that wooden bezel. Now, I didn't know what to make of this when I got the press release, and I thought to myself, I'm either going to love it or hate it. But Spinnaker are very adventurous, and they're not afraid to try things that traditional watchmakers would probably never consider. And Spinnaker have gone ahead and put in a rosewood finish bezel, okay? The rosewood is actually very well executed, to my surprise. I did not know what to make of it, you know, in the press release, because sometimes in the pictures they look really better than they do in the flesh. But I have to say, in real life, this Spinnaker watch doesn't disappoint. I'm actually quite liking the look of this watch. And I had to say, I wasn't sure whether I was going to like it, but let's take a closer look at this Spinnaker Sorrento. And as you can see, they've really taken real inspiration by speedboats, the surrounding of the speedboat, that yacht wooden finish, you know, what you get in your Rolls Royce Dawn, you know, that wooden finish at the back, you know, which is inspired by yachts. I think that's what Spinnaker are attempting to do with their watches, and I've never come across anything like this before. But I have to say, it's pretty cool indeed. I like the blue navy dial. I don't know how well you can see it in this lighting, guys. I want to apologize that my lighting isn't great today because I'm shooting the video in the evening. But as you can see, it's got a textured dial, the applied Spinnaker logo, the indices, and the skeleton hands as well. You've got a sub second hand dial at 430. Now, this watch has got a sapphire crystal, a domed sapphire crystal. Let's quickly take this watch off the watch cushion. Now, let's have a look. Now, let's look at the actual size of this watch. You've got 43mm diameter. Lug width, you're looking at 22mm. Height, you're looking at, I would say about 13.1mm in height. So not too thick, not too bad at all. And there is, you know, some brushing there. Very cool. Let's have a look at the back. There is the Miyota 8 series movements. And manual wind automatic, 100 meters, water resistant. Not 100% sure this is sapphire because It says, doesn't really state it at the back, but on the press release it did say it was a mineral sapphire crystal, so I'd need to double check on that. But yeah, it looks cool. It's a cool watch, very different. You know, Spinnaker are very adventurous in their design. Brand new release. I believe this is going to cost around about $310. I'm sure there'll be discounts and so on. However, it's a brand new release by Spinnaker, and I have to say, I think it's going to please quite a few different wrists, I have to say. Yeah, it's a cool watch. Screw down crown as well. Not bad indeed. You know, what can I say? I think this is not really a genuine dive watch. Like I said, it's more of a shallow dive watch. You know, it's 100 meters water resistant. It's screw down crown, which is very good indeed. I think, you know, it's definitely a conversational piece. When people look at it, they'll be like, what is it? Is that wood? And then you explain the rose wood and has been inspired by Sorrento, Italy, speedboats, yachts as such, cruising the coastline of Sorrento, Italy, the Med, or even the lakes as such in Italy. It's a cool watch, and I think that it could be a very good summer piece, I have to say. So if you like the look of this watch, guys, don't forget to sign up to the link below. I believe there will be limited stock, so you need to sign up now. Spinnaker are really popular with the new releases, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this little mini unboxing of this brand new release from Spinnaker watches, the Spinnaker Sorrento watch. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click that little bell if you love the content. But please leave your comments below on your thoughts on this brand new Spinnaker Sorrento watch. I'll be intrigued to find out what your thoughts are and whether you're going to sign up to the new release of this watch. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.